All right, everyone, this is a very fast tutorial. So if you want to create 3D titles for any kind of video or even just maybe a TikTok or a social post, all you have to do is go studio.worldcast.io and select Showcast. It's the middle one right in the middle. You're going to go select, give your cast name. In this case, we'll call it 3D title. We'll just pick the size that we want it to be in reality, a rough size of how big you think it's going to be. In this case, I'll just pick, we'll just leave it at 1 meter. I will go create. Once we're in the studio, we can move around. All the instructions are at the top: rotate camera, pan camera, and front of the circle faces you, so it lets you know when you place content in front of you how it's going to look. So in this case, we're going to go text. Just on the sidebar here, cast options, we're going to go text. You can give us a title if you want. In this case, I'm not going to. I'm just going to go create text, and I'll just put your title here. So this can say whatever you want it to be. You can say whatever you want. You can pick all the fonts. There's a lot of different fonts up here. I'll just pick Roboto for a quick second, and maybe we'll just make this a nice green color. Maybe whatever color you want, and we'll just make it a little bit more bold. And let's just change the thickness of it to be about half that. All right, we'll just rotate it up. Move it up a little bit taller. We can tell how big it's going to be off the ground. In this case, let's put 1 meter off the ground as well. So we got your title here. Let's go save and publish. We'll scan the QR code when it pops up. Let's go check out. Got the QR code. Open it up. This is going to open up in the browser window. And it's going to say tap here to place in your space. And we'll just do that. We'll just aim at the ground, move our phone around, and there we go. We have your title here. We just make it a little bit smaller if we want. Again, you can tell whatever size you want it to be in reality. But now we got our title. We could do a screen recording. If you saw my other videos, you could start off like this and then pull back through it. There's many different ways you can do it, but that's just one of many ways. Be creative. Use screen recording. Get your 3D title in reality, do it in seconds, and just use screen recorder to on iOS or Android. Use screen recording to be able to capture that moment and put that into your final result, your beginning or your ending or something of relevancy. And you don't have to use any complicated tracking to be able to pull it off. It just works out of the box for iOS and Android, and it's free. I can't wait to see what you create.